Hi, families. Thanks for joining me here. You're watching this because somebody you care about is struggling with drug addiction. And today I want to talk about the dangers of delaying treatment. I get a lot of calls from families, and I speak to a lot of families that want treatment for their son or daughter, or their husband, their loved one, but they want to wait. Not too long ago, I had a meeting with a wife that recognized the need for treatment for her husband, but they had a big party plan. She said, which I'm not canceling, and then we have this big family trip to the islands, which we're not canceling, and that is fine. That is her prerogative. However, the dangers in delaying treatment, the biggest danger in delaying treatment, is the fact that somebody could overdose and die. I've seen this happen. A couple months ago, I got a call. It was a Wednesday afternoon. I had a good talk with the individual, and he was getting off the phone with me to talk to the group of friends that would be involved with the intervention. By Friday, I had not heard back from him, and I texted him and said, and asked him, is there any other information that you'd like? Or did I give you everything you need? And a few hours later, he texted back, said, I'm very sorry to tell you our friend passed away. And that was just in 2 days. So, addiction is an acute brain disease that is progressive and fatal if not treated. And you need to keep that in mind. So time is of the essence. The second concern is that somebody's going to get arrested or rearrested. So I recently spoke to a dad who wants to intervene on his son, but his son has some pending charges. And I said to him, look, I think that's a mistake. Number one, we don't know how long it's going to take for those charges to be dropped or lessened or knocked down or whatever. I don't know. And in that time, he could overdose, could get rearrested. And if he gets rearrested, picked up on another DUI or drug-related charges, then the first charges are definitely not getting knocked down. There's no question about that. And the third is the unknown consequence. We like to think that we can foresee everything that's going to happen, but we just can't. There's a story I heard recently of someone who was addicted to drugs and was shot and killed while buying drugs. I would not have guessed that would have happened, but it did, and I don't think the family would have guessed that would have happened either. So was that? What was that person's death a result of their drug addiction? Absolutely. If they weren't a drug addict, they wouldn't be buying drugs, and they wouldn't have gotten shot and killed buying drugs. It's just a matter of course. But anyway, again, I want to impress upon you: if you recognize a problem, an addiction problem in your home or with a loved one, take immediate action. Time is not on your side. Time is your enemy when it comes to addiction. But anyway, I just wanted to share that. I think it's important that, as these issues come up, that I share about them, because if they come up for one person, they're going to come up for another. For more information, please visit my website at gethelpforaddiction.com. Again, it's gethelpforaddiction.com. And I look forward to speaking with you next time. Bye-bye.